Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today, I'm excited to show you how to convert a Figma design into Elementor using various templates. To begin, let's open up the Figma to Elementor plugin. I've already got the plugin all set up. If you're not sure how to connect your website with this plugin, no worries. I've got a previous video that can help you with that. Or, if you're facing issues, you can choose to convert without needing a direct connection. Our Figma plugin works great with designs that utilize auto layout features. I'm using some examples from Untitled UI and Relume UI to demonstrate. Let's jump into the design from Untitled UI first. You'll want to select the frame and then convert it to Elementor. Allow the conversion process to finish. Once that's done, copy the content, switch over to the Elementor page builder, right-click, choose Paste from Other Site, and hit Ctrl-V. If you're on a Mac, you'll use Command-V instead. The process is pretty much the same for the Relume template. Just select the frame, convert it to Elementor, and continue on. Now just go ahead and copy and paste it into Elementor. I've got some other templates here as well. While they aren't entirely using auto layout, some parts of them do. Let's test it out by converting it to Elementor. In the preview, you might see that some elements didn't convert perfectly, like this broken image. We've got two groups of images here, so here's the plan. We can group these into one by pressing Ctrl-G and lock it so they convert as a single image. Let's give the conversion another go. This time, it looks spot on. Our plugin automatically converts designs that are locked as an image and those with an image name as an image. If you want two separate images, make sure to group them accordingly. All right, let's check out another example. In this preview, there's a group of images. The issue here is that dragging one moves the whole group, which means it's been converted as a single image. It's locked and named as an image. To convert each as separate images, simply unlock the group and rename it. Let's convert it to Elementor now. You'll notice the images are converting separately this time. Just copy and paste them into Elementor. As you can see, each image has been converted separately. And that's all for today's video. Thanks so much for watching.